Hi, where are we, Dean, at camp?
Yes,
On
we
this
are.
gorgeous October day. Look at these kids. They're so cute.
Mhm.
So we are cooking a pork roast over the fire today, Dean. We've never done it. Look at how gorgeous. I have a whole head of garlic in there. And now we're gonna put in our potatoes and our carrots. I'm hoping they all fit. And I'm gonna add some more chicken broth to this too. And this will all cook down.
Turned out pretty easy.
Doesn't that look good? Now you're always gonna want to sprinkle some salt on this. And look at what I made for you, Dean. A piece of crust with my homemade lard. And we're gonna just tuck this right in here like this.
Put the rest of the vegetables in there.
Will they fit?
Yeah.
Well, I suppose they'll cook down. Eh? I'll add a little bit more juice to it too. So, see you in 2 hours. So it's been what, 2 hours, eh? Since we put the lid on. Plus we had to micromanage it pretty much, eh, Dean?
Yeah, we did.
You had to control the heat. I mean, it was boiling like crazy, but look at how delicious it looks. We got some smoke there, but the crust came pretty good. Not typically like it does in an oven. In the oven, it would get kind of crispy on top, but
I don't want to melt your phone.
yeah, hey, I'm gonna taste this crust. And it absorbs some of the juice. It's really good. It's got a little bit different texture.
Yeah.
But it's really good. Look at this carrot from my garden. How huge, eh?
It's a beauty.
But look at the juice, how nice. And it tastes really good. And it's still boiling even though there's hardly no coals under this. But it cooked all together for 4 hours. And the meat is, you know, nice and tender. The top's probably a little dry. But it's a pork loin, so loin can dry out pretty quick. But give it a try. Keep smiling.